First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to emails. And next to your domain name, click on mailboxes to see the available email accounts under this domain. Now, next to the email address that you want to create an automatic reply for, click on these three dots and select Create Automatic Reply. As you see, your recipient will receive one automatic reply after they send an email. Here you will see your Hostinger email address that you will be used for this automatic reply. Here you can fill in your subject line. You can set an starting date and an end date if you want. If you don't want, you can go with start immediately and never end. Here you can write your automatic reply message. For this video, I will use the help of ChatGPT to write me an automatic reply for my, let's say that I have a pizza business, and this is the automatic reply message that I got from ChatGPT. This is a good subject line, which is "Thank you for contacting Pizza Paradise," and this is the automatic reply message. Hello, thank you for reaching out to Paradise Pizza. We've received your email and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Opening hours, the phone number, and today's special: buy one large pizza, get one medium for free. We look forward to serving you delicious, hot and fresh pizza soon. Best regards, Pizza Paradise team, fresh, hot, delicious. Click on create. My bad, I forgot to set a starting date. I will go with start immediately, and let's say I will get back to my I can reply, or I want to set an ending date for this automatic reply. Let's go, for example, for 7 days off. Click on create. Contains unsupported characters. Please use letters, numbers, and basic punctuation only. I think those emojis are not, so I need to delete all of those emojis. Let's give it a try now. Auto reply for my email message created successfully.